for Joss Moses Kitchen. Today I'm preparing an easy recipe from Nepal. Chicken? No, it's Chukauni, a vegetable Chukauni for you guys. So make sure you see the whole video because I'm sharing some tips in between. Let's move on to the video.
Let's enjoy cooking together. For this recipe, serves 2 to 3 guests. We need 300 grams of diced potatoes. Add just enough salt and quarter teaspoon of turmeric. Boil it until it's soft and remove it and set it aside. Onto a bowl, add 2 cups of yogurt. If it's too thick, add a little bit of water. You must use fresh yogurt so it is less sour. That's good for this recipe. 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, the mango powder. If you don't have amchur powder, use cumin powder instead. 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. 3/4 teaspoon of black salt. Combine well. You can see the spices and yogurt are beautifully mixed. Add 1 medium-sized sliced onions. Few chopped cilantros, 2 pieces of chopped chilies, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and the potato we cooked before. Combine it. Now we do the tempering. On a pot, add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. If you don't have mustard oil, crack some mustard. Half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of methi. Be careful, don't burn it. Remove it from the heat. And pour it on top of the Chukauni we made just before, the yogurt and the vegetable mix, and mix it all together. The flavors are well infused now. The beautiful Chukauni is ready to serve now.
This beautiful vegetarian dish is very easy and quick to make. Make sure you give it a try and share your experience in my comment box, and show your love by sharing my video to friends and family and subscribing my channel Joss Moses Kitchen. See you with a new video tomorrow. Bye. This video, have you ever tried? What about this one? Oh, what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.